Today we are practicing the 100,000 Tsok Offering to Mahaguru Padmasambava. In Tibetan, this ritual feast is called Bhum Tsok. Bhum means 100,000 and Tsok means an accumulation or a gathering. At this Tsok feast, we spiritual practitioners gather together to meditate, to make offerings, and to ritually feast together to accumulate the causes of merit and wisdom that lead to enlightenment on the ultimate level, and to accumulate on a relative level the causes and conditions for temporary happiness, peace, and well-being for all living beings. In Tibetan, we call Padmasambhava by the name of Guru Rinpoche, meaning precious master, because he was the spiritual master who brought all the precious Buddhist teachings from Sutra to Tantra to Mahamudra and Dzogchen to Tibet from India in the 9th century. How to practice Tsok was taught by Guru Rinpoche himself to his first disciples as a skillful way to remember him and to contact with his wisdom, his love, and his compassion. Guru Rinpoche always said, "For anyone, man or woman, who has faith in me, I, the lotus-born, have never departed. I sleep on their threshold." So when we practice Tsok or any other time we remember him, we can have faith that Guru Rinpoche is with us and protecting us, just like someone who would keep watch at our door while we sleep at night. We offer all of the gathered offerings and supplication prayers to Guru Rinpoche, as he is the essence of all the Buddha's wisdom and all the Buddha's activities combined. So that is why we call him Mahaguru, meaning great or unsurpassable master, as his great kindness is unsurpassable to Tibetans and all living beings who have faith in his teachings. In the Sanskrit language of India, Guru Rinpoche is known as Padmasambhava or Padmakara, meaning the lotus-born. According to Jamgon Kongtrul Rinpoche, this is how he was born. In the land of Uddiyana, situated to the west of Bodh Gaya, there was an island in Lake Dhanakosha, on which appeared a multicolored lotus flower through the blessings of the Buddhas. Buddha Amitabha sent from his heart center a golden vajra marked with the letter Shri into the bud of this lotus flower, which miraculously turned into a child 8 years of age, holding a vajra and a lotus adorned with the major and mind marks. The child remained there, teaching the profound Dharma to the Devas and Draconas until he was found by King Indra Bodhi, who adopted him as his son and heir to the throne of Uddiyana. When Guru Rinpoche came to Tibet in the 9th century at the invitation of King Chisang Detsen and Khenpo Bodhisattva, he helped to build Samye Monastery. He helped the first 7 Tibetans to become monks and to establish the ordinary Sangha in Tibet. And he also trained the first practitioners to translate the Buddhist texts into Tibetan from Sanskrit. So this is just a short explanation of why Guru Rinpoche is so precious to Tibetan Buddhists and why we believe that if we practice him, that is the same as practicing all the Buddhas. This year is especially connected to Guru Rinpoche, as he was born in the fire monkey year at this time. So we are taking this precious opportunity to practice the 100,000 Tsok offering to remember Guru Rinpoche's precious teachings and to wish for the enlightenment of all living beings, and that all may be experience both temporary and ultimate causes of peace, happiness, and everything that is auspicious. Thank you.